Introduction. Hey, future phone flash family. Today, we're diving into the latest tech marvel from Xiaomi, the 14 Ultra. Packing subtle yet significant upgrades, this device is a testament to the saying, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. Stick around as we unravel what makes the Xiaomi 14 Ultra a powerhouse, keeping last year's model's legacy alive while introducing its own flair. Let's jump right in. Camera enhancements. The Xiaomi 14 Ultra elevates photography with its refined camera system. Building on a solid foundation, the primary shooter now features an upgraded 1-inch sensor paired with a cutting-edge variable aperture, allowing for unprecedented precision in capturing light. Plus, with 2 telephoto lenses, close-up shots and distant subjects are crystal clear, thanks to improved focusing and a brighter lens for those zoomed-in moments. Photography enthusiasts, rejoice! Durability and design. Xiaomi doesn't just innovate, it revolutionizes. Swapping out the Corning glass with its own more robust formula, the Xiaomi 14 Ultra is all about resilience, with a tiny footnote on durability tests. And for those who love the feel of leather without the guilt, the new eco-friendly option is both premium to the touch and gentle on the planet. With options for a titanium or aluminum alloy frame, the 14 Ultra is not just a phone. It's a statement piece. Display and performance. The 14 Ultra's display is a feast for the eyes. A 6.73 inches AMOLED screen boasting incredible color depth and sharpness, supported by a high refresh rate for buttery smooth visuals. Under the hood, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset ensures lightning-fast performance, whether you're gaming, streaming, or multitasking. Combined with generous memory options, this device is a powerhouse designed for the future. Battery and connectivity. With a robust 5000 mAh battery, the 14 Ultra keeps you powered through day and night, supported by ultra-fast wired and wireless charging. Stay connected with the latest in 5G and Wi-Fi technology, ensuring you're always in the loop, no matter where you are. Multimedia and extras. Immerse yourself in multimedia magic with high-resolution cameras capable of 8K video, Dolby Vision HDR recording, and an under-display fingerprint sensor for seamless access. Stereo speakers complete the experience, making every moment with the Xiaomi 14 Ultra an auditory delight. Conclusion. The Xiaomi 14 Ultra doesn't just follow in the footsteps of its predecessor. It strides confidently forward, bringing thoughtful upgrades that enhance every interaction. Whether you're a photography aficionado, a tech enthusiast, or simply in search of a reliable, high-performance smartphone, the 14 Ultra is designed to impress. Remember to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for future Phone Flash, where we uncover the future of tech, one device at a time. Until next time, keep flashing forward.